this report is not about party politics. It is about protection and defending the fundamental rights and interests of Hungarian citizens. This is a very reliable document. It is grounded in facts and evidences, drawing in the findings of the European Commission, the Council of Europe, the UN experts, and the case law of both European courts, European Court of Human Rights and Court of Justice of the European Union. For years we have observed the progressive degradation of democracy in Hungary and the erosion of the rule of law. This report very clearly shows how judicial independence has been systematically undermined. The National Judiciary Council, the constitutional body responsible for judicial self-governance and protection of independence of judiciary, has been repeatedly bypassed in major reforms, its mandatory consultations ignored, and several of its members have been resigned in protest. This erosion of the National Judiciary Council and its role is coupled with politically influenced appointments and a new mechanism of control. And particularly, a serious example is the practice, the example of the violation of the rule of law and the independence of judiciary, is the practice of Curia, the Supreme Court of Hungary, uniformity complaint panel, which reviews and interprets Court of Justice judgments before they can be applied by the refereeing court. This is not only delay and the effect of delay, but also it directly contradicts Article 267 of the Treaty of the Functioning of the European Union and undermines judicial independence. Actually, the entire preliminary ruling procedure is subject to governmental control. The report also presents the everyday reality of Hungary's non-compliance with union values, falling real wages, rising poverty, deterioration of public services, squandered EU funds, and last place position in almost every EU quality of life ranking. Hungarians are living worse while the government consolidates its own power network. The question which we will not answer today, the question for them is very simple. Do Hungarians want to live in the country without any guarantees of the democracy and with economic decline, or do they want to regain the dignity, prosperity and the security that every European citizen deserves? The answer will come in the next April during the elections. Until then, the European Parliament's duty is to identify the problems factually and consistently defend the rights of Hungarian people as guaranteed in the treaties. And that is what we have done preparing this report. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.